You guys good on time? Okay. Taking off, landing. Okay. So here, by the time you're here, I'll be up. Go ahead, you're clear. Low pass. Okay.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah, baby. 16 coming out. Oh, you like 5,000.
That was good, Jonah.
Woo! I just hope they maintain. If they do, look out! Oh, yeah. Damn. Coming out!
Take it off, landing. Come on in. You're good. You're good.
All you.
That was perfect timing. Take it off, landing. There's no way I'm keeping up with you with this little thing.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Sheesh.
I wouldn't be surprised. That thing's quick.
No, I'm saying I couldn't.
With the F-16, are we close?
No, I couldn't keep up with you with that little thing. This 70 is crazy. I mean, your F-16 is nuts. Go.
Time remaining 1 minute.
And I'm in the dust.
In real life, is the F-16 faster than the F-18?
It's got, they both have their advantages. The F-16 can turn a little tighter.
Get him, Ray, get him.
I'm trying.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
You landing?
Yep.
down 1. Time expired.
Woo-hoo! I gotta cool it. Holy smokes! That is quick.
How much time do you have on?
I was doing better than I thought I would, but
That is.
I gotta say, I was that crazy. Ah, research.
not bad for a 70 with the 110.
Yeah, not bad at all. Jeez, stop. And it just kept going.
Yeah, it was speeding up.
Woo!
Oh, don't be timid now. Come on. Look at the difference in size. Oh, that was fun.
Oh, sorry about that.
Oh, that was fun. That was a.
You see my burning
No,
right
it's
now.
fine. It's fine.